The idea of storing human memories in light is a concept that truly captures the imagination. It bridges the gap between cutting-edge science and the realm of science fiction. This question isn't just a thought experiment, it's a fascinating scientific inquiry. You might have seen headlines like, "Can we store human memories in light?" The answer is shocking. While such titles are designed to grab attention, they point to a profound underlying scientific exploration. This field delves into the very nature of light and its incredible properties. Scientists are investigating how light can be used to encode and manipulate information. This includes incredibly complex biological data. The potential applications are truly mind-boggling. The shocking aspect of this concept isn't just about the technology itself. It's primarily about the profound implications such a breakthrough would have for humanity. Imagine the possibilities. This technology would fundamentally revolutionize how we understand the human brain. It would offer unprecedented insights into its intricate workings. Our current knowledge would be expanded exponentially. It would also transform how we interact with the human brain on a daily basis. From therapy to learning, the methods could change forever. The very definition of human experience might shift. Consider the potential possibility of preserving memories for future generations. Imagine being able to access the lived experiences of your ancestors. This could offer a new form of historical record. Think about the ability to access forgotten experiences from your own past. Childhood memories, lost skills, or even moments you thought were gone forever could potentially be retrieved. This opens up incredible avenues for personal growth and understanding. Furthermore, this technology holds immense promise for treating memory-related diseases. Conditions like Alzheimer's disease, which devastate millions, could potentially be combated. Restoring lost memories or preventing their decay would be a monumental achievement. At its heart, this entire concept revolves around encoding information within the properties of light itself. Light isn't just a simple beam. It possesses several characteristics that can be manipulated. These properties can carry vast amounts of data. One key property is its wavelength. Different colors of light, for instance, correspond to different wavelengths. This variation can be used to represent distinct pieces of information. Another crucial property is polarization. This refers to the orientation of the light wave's oscillations. By altering this orientation, we can encode different data states. Intensity, or the brightness of light, is also a property that can be modulated. Varying the intensity allows for another layer of information encoding. These principles are already at work all around us. This fundamental principle is already applied in various existing technologies we use every day. Fiber optics, for example, transmit data over vast distances using light. Our digital world relies heavily on this concept. Holography is a particularly compelling example where light interference patterns create three-dimensional images. It captures not just intensity, but also the phase of light. This allows for a complete reconstruction of a scene. The primary challenge, however, lies in applying this principle to human memories. Human memories are not simple digital files. They are characterized by their incredibly complex and dynamic nature. Memories are distributed across vast neural networks, constantly changing and being reconsolidated. They are intertwined with emotions, context, and personal meaning. This makes them far more intricate than any data we currently encode in light. One promising potential approach involves using light to directly interact with biological structures. This is where the science gets truly exciting. We're talking about manipulating the very building blocks of thought. This specifically targets structures like neurons, the fundamental cells of the brain. Understanding and controlling these cells is key to unlocking memory's secrets. Light offers a non-invasive way to do this. Scientists are actively exploring techniques such as optogenetics. This revolutionary method uses light to control genetically modified cells. It's a powerful tool for neuroscience research. optogenetics introduces light-sensitive proteins into specific neurons. These proteins act like tiny switches. When exposed to light, they can either activate or silence the neuron. This allows researchers to precisely control the activity of neurons with light. Imagine being able to turn specific brain circuits on or off at will. This level of control is unprecedented. It could potentially stimulate specific neural pathways associated with memories. By activating these pathways, researchers might be able to recall or reinforce particular memories. This could be a game changer for learning and memory retrieval. Conversely, it could also potentially inhibit specific neural pathways associated with memories. This might be useful for suppressing traumatic memories or unwanted associations. The ethical implications are profound, but the scientific potential is immense. Another fascinating avenue of research focuses on the physical changes occurring during memory formation. Memories aren't just abstract concepts, they have a physical basis in the brain. Understanding these changes is crucial. Memories are encoded through the strengthening and weakening of synaptic connections between neurons. These synapses are the junctions where neurons communicate. Their plasticity is the foundation of learning. Researchers are investigating if these subtle yet critical changes can be captured using light-based techniques. Can light detect the minute alterations in these connections? This is a major scientific hurdle. This could involve creating holographic representations of brain structures at a microscopic level. Imagine a three-dimensional map of all your synaptic connections. Such a map could potentially hold the key to your memories. Or it could involve using light to manipulate the physical properties of neural networks themselves. Perhaps light could be used to subtly alter synaptic strength. This would be a direct way to influence memory formation or recall. The journey to storing human memories in light is long and complex. It requires breakthroughs in physics, biology, and neuroscience. But the potential rewards are truly shocking and inspiring.